So we got some bad news. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Taevian's World of Reptiles. I hope y'all are taking care of yourselves. We got some bad news. So, something I hadn't really been talking about on my channel, just because I was just trying to stay hopeful about it all. Uh, a while ago I posted about, when Lestat and Shere Khan weren't eating, but I was staying hopeful because I understand that snakes go off feed, but I had managed to get both of them to eat a number of times in between now and then, obviously. But it's been about two and a half months now though that Lestat's not been eating, and well, he wasn't eating for about a month and a half, and I wasn't stressing about it because he still had good body weight. But and I also figured it's entering into fall. The weather's getting colder. Pressure might be changing, so he just like is pulling back from feeding. I mean, I kept trying, but I wasn't stressing about it. Um, and then I had to go like a month without feeders, period, where nobody was eating because my previous roommates had, or one of them had thrown my foods out. So it set me back a lot because I get a 3 month increment of food. So anyway, I had to go a month without feeding anybody. And so once I got food, Lestat was the very first one that I went to feed. And I gave him two really tiny pinky mice because I didn't want to give him anything too big right off the bat that happened not eating so long. So he ate them. I mean, not with me watching, but he ate them, and I was like, all right, cool. But then I came back a little later and I smelled something funky, and he had regurgitated one of them. I was like, oh, okay, that was too much. Even that was too much. All right, cool. So that was one mouse. All right, and I was gonna go 2 weeks without feeding him because I wanted him to recover from that regurgitation. It takes a lot for them to do that. All that stomach acid coming back up. I'm sure there's some burns in there, so I really wanted him to recover before trying to feed again. So it has been about a week since that feeding, and I've been checking on him. Now, I needed to feed him first because, about a month ago, maybe not even like, yeah, like 3 or 4 weeks, yeah, about a month ago, his weight started going down. Like I noticed, but at first I was like noticing stressing about it because I was like, as long as his weight's fine, it's fine. But then his weight started going down. Like I could start seeing his spine, and that was worrisome for me. So I was like, he needs to eat quick. So that's why he was the very first one to get fed once I got food. And I was excited when he at least ate. And then I was like a little bummed when he threw up the second one, but I was like, oh, he's holding the first one in, so cool. But I went in and checked on him today, and I've been checking on him, but he'd been seeming a little slow in energy still, and I was like, oh, maybe he's still just recovering from feeding. But I went to check on him today, and there was no movement at all, like not even slow movement, like none. So Lestat has passed away. I really wish I could have been able to like catch whatever that was beforehand. I figured it was a feeding strike because of the winter thing. And once he started to lose weight, I figured, okay, it had been a while, so I guess it kind of makes sense that he's losing weight now. So let's really try to get him fed. And once he ate, I thought we was in the clear, but we weren't. So I am really bummed. I'm really, really bummed. I got Lestat because Bull Snake was like the snake that made me fall in love with snakes. And I really wanted another opportunity, to have one in my reptile family, my now extended reptiles family since the beginning. And so I'm really, really bummed that that's happened. I'm really bummed out. Man. Yeah, I don't really know. I mean, what else to say. He's gone, and I mean, and I'm pretty bummed about it. Like it seems like this has just been a rough week, especially with Toph missing and now Lestat. I mean, and I'm starting to lose. I'm like, I don't. I know it's still early, but I'm starting to lose faith with fighting Toph too. So I'm like, I'm getting hit with a double whammy here, and it's really tough. So anyway, I'll see y'all later. Y'all take care. Love yourselves. Love your family. Love your loved ones and your reptiles. You guys keep spreading those herps.